This is live blitz number 20. Looks like bird opening. Nice. Grab the knight. Put it on F3. What pawns are you moving up? Those ones. Okay, buddy. Slow system. Actually, I'm going to play E4 when I can. Put my queen on E2. Support a broad pawn center this way. Tons of space. Yeah. Castle, castle. Rook opposite the queen, get it. What's he doing? I got some space, which is brilliant. Block out his bishops and everything. Restrain C5 via en passant. That rook's great. Oh, I do not like that move for him. Shut his bishop off. Yeah, shut his bishop off. And squeeze. Anaconda style. Threaten his queen. Yeah, dude. Come at me. I'll leave your knight pinned, and I'm coming into the D6 square potentially. You can take that file. According to the geometry, you're still on my bishop's diagonal. Like squared bishop, that is. And I'm going to nudge myself deeper and deeper into your camp as well. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? Oh. Well, first, I'm going to come in here, see if I can burglarize some of those minor pieces that are hanging around. Obviously have much vulnerability. And if you move the knight, I can burglarize your b6 pawn. Block with tempo. Since I have all the threats already described. And my bishop is threatening his b6 pawn. Now that his queen has moved. I win material. His being kettle bishop on the king side shut off. This guy just didn't go for space, and my pieces unfolded into greater mobility. That's the way chess is. If you have more space, you have more mobility, and you can start ripping their dudes. And then you have even more mobility, because you have more material. What are you thinking about, man? How to save yourself? You can't. Can't save yourself, Romani. Remini. 375. Yeah. The knight's been hanging out back there with his bishop. Both of them not doing much. Knight was doing a little bit, protecting his dark squared bishops. Honestly, just blocking his dark squared bishop's freedom is a real point. And he was guarding his light squared bishop. What is this, mate threat? Mate threat extinguished. And that piece still has a lot of scope. He's probably kicking himself on the computer desk. Oh, why did I not go for space? Oh, why did I not mobilize my pieces? Why did I leave my knight there and not attempt to activate my bishop on g7 via bishop f8? Why? Yeah. Be a stronger person, dude. Be a stronger person. Hiya! Here we come. Special ops. Exchanges. No big deal. Check. I'll threaten this queen before I take on f7 so I can guard c4 simultaneously. This is called prophylaxis, since there's some aggression that he's coming into. Yet, I'll just defend. Sorry, I didn't think that was the best game of chess, but I'm happy I won.